Torrential slide value equivalent to $16.6200 a coin in a very enormous manner. The present exchange cost range, $16.510 to $16.7300, which generally is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, $16.6200, which in a real sense is very huge. The change most certainly was 0.0000%. Converse rate, USD to AVAX, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month or so they explicitly thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $15.87, extremely greatest $16.98, really least $14.76, or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $16.31, sort of most extreme $17.45, truly least $15.17. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $16.04, sort of most extreme $17.16, kind of least $14.92, which really is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $16.38, extremely greatest $17.53 in every way that really matters, least $15.23, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $16.57, for the most part greatest $17.73, exceptionally least $15.41, which is genuinely huge. In multi-week torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $16.15, extremely greatest $17.28, lovely least $15.02 in an all things considered, significant way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $15.78, for the most part greatest $16.88, sort of least $14.68, which fundamentally is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $15.70, kind of greatest $16.80, essentially least $14.60, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $15.57, greatest $16.66, genuinely least $14.48 in a really significant way. Torrential slide figure on Friday, May 19, cost $16.06, exceptionally greatest $17.18, for the most part least $14.94 in a genuinely significant manner. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $15.66, truly greatest $16.76, kind of least $14.56 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $16.33, in every practical sense, greatest $17.47, sort of least $15.19, which is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $16.39, kind of greatest $17.54, in every practical sense, least $15.24, which truly is very huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost $16.04, truly most extreme $17.16, truly least $14.92 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $16.31, most certainly greatest $17.45, really least $15.17 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks torrential slide gauge on Monday, May 29, cost $15.09, essentially most extreme $16.15, exceptionally least $14.03 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $14.55, for the most part greatest $15.57, fundamentally least $13.53, so the earlier day close, $16.6200, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $13.02, in every practical sense, greatest $13.93, exceptionally least $12.11, showing that torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost $16.33, extremely most extreme $17.47, in every practical sense, least $15.19 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $13.46, lovely most extreme $14.40, genuinely least $12.52, which sort of is genuinely huge. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $13.69, by and large greatest $14.65, especially least $12.73 in an unpretentious way. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $14.46, kind of most extreme $15.47, by and large least $13.45, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $14.35, greatest $15.35, exceptionally least $13.35, further appearance how in 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday, May 29, cost $15.09, extremely most extreme $16.15, in every way that really matters, least $14.03, which essentially is very critical. USD to AVAX conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 0.0602 coins per $1, exhibiting how today, S exchange cost range 5010 to 16.7300, which basically is very huge. Today, S reach 0.0598 minus 0.0606, which fundamentally is very huge. The past day, S nearby 0.0602, or so they basically thought. Change for now 0.0000, 0.00%, showing that today, S exchange cost range 5010 to 16.7300, which essentially is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing how the past day, S nearby 0.0602 in a significant way. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 0.063 coins, genuinely greatest 0.068, beautiful least 0.059 in a quite huge way. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.061 coins, especially greatest 0.066, kind of least 0.057 in a for the most part significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.062 coins, kind of greatest 0.067, certainly least 0.058, exhibiting how in about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $14.46, certainly most extreme $15.47, least $13.45, which for the most part is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.061 coins, kind of most extreme 0.066, least 0.057, which especially is very critical. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 0.060 coins, kind of most extreme 0.065, in every practical sense, least 0.056, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to AVAX expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 0.062 coins, especially greatest 0.067, most certainly least 0.058 in a very huge manner. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.063 coins, by and large most extreme 0.068, especially least 0.059, truly an